Hi, I'm Josh Lockey, Training Evangelist here at QuoteWerks. In this video, we're going to show you how to create, edit, and manage document templates in QuoteWerks Web. Document templates enable users to save time by preloading existing products, services, heading lines, subtotals, groups, and any combination of line items on the document. Templates can also save any default information on the rest of the workbook, such as notes, contract dates, expiration dates, and more. Templates allow users to start from a pre-created document rather than having to start from scratch each time a new quote or proposal is needed. This is also a great way to introduce new users to QuoteWerks. Let's start by using an existing template, then we'll move on to creating a new template. There's a few different ways you can load an existing template. The first and easiest is to click on the drop-down arrow next to the New button and then find the Select Template menu option. Directly below that, you'll see a list of your most recently used templates. If you've used a template recently, it will be displayed here under the Select Template option. You can also access the template window by clicking on File, New, and then clicking the Template tab in the New document window. By default, the Template tab will have the Show All option selected and will display all templates that exist in your installation. You can use the name, doc number, type, or last modified columns to sort the templates in different orders. If you'd like to search for a specific template by name, you can select the Search by Name option and put in your search criteria. You can refine the query by selecting Begins With, Contains, or Ends With, and use that search query. For example, if I wanted to search for my new Office template, I could use the Contains option, type in the word Office, and then click Enter on my keyboard. That will show me my templates that have the word Office in the title, and I can make my selection. I can either double-click on it, or click OK to open this template in QuoteWerks Web. Now that my template is loaded, I can make any changes or adjustments to this document as needed. The templates are designed to already preload a lot of the information that you would need, and you simply make adjustments and edits. So maybe for this particular customer they won't need the last two items, so I can delete them, and then maybe we'll need to mark up our pricing more than what's currently shown. We can go through and for each item make adjustments as needed. Once you've made all your adjustments or changes, you'll be able to save your document by clicking the Save icon. By default, when you save it, the template name will be set here for the document name. However, if you wanted to change it, maybe you wanted to add the company name or simply say add on to the existing document name, we can do that and then click OK. Once you hit OK, that will apply the document name and will also apply the document number, and you can continue making any adjustments as needed. Finding and using templates is very easy. Now if I wanted to create a new template or edit an existing template, the steps are going to be a little bit different. First, let's go ahead and start with a blank document. What we would do is actually build a document that we want to use as a template. What that means is you start from scratch and then add the information you want. Maybe you have a particular service or product that you're offering with a discount, and that discount is going to expire. We could add that to a template so that the reps aren't having to remember to add the discount to the quote automatically. So we'll go to our product lookup window, we'll just select a few items, add those to the document, and we'll also add a % discount for our item that's on special. So let's say this Cisco item is on special and we're offering a 10% discount. The only difference between this and a new document in QuoteWerks is there's going to be two steps. One, you want to make sure that you haven't added any contact information. If you save contact information in the template, it will remain in the template, so you have to replace it each time. If it's for the same customer each time, then that's fine. You can set it, but for most companies, you're just going to want to leave the sold to, shipped to contact info blank on the template. And then the second one, to save it as template, you'll simply need to click on File, Save as Template. You'll give your template a name, so maybe we'll call this our promo item, and hit OK. Then you'll see that our new template has a number. Now if I want to use this template, I actually have to go first close out of it, and then I need to follow this process that we did before, which would be to click on the drop-down, go to Select Template. Double-click on it, and that'll open up the template, and now I'm free to use the document as needed. I can add a contact, I can make adjustments to the items, and now my discount's on there, so I don't have to remember to add it, and then I am ready to go through delivery. Using the templates and creating new ones is going to be very simple. If you want to edit an existing template, so we want to actually click on the Open window here. So let's click on this Open icon, and this will bring us to the Open Document window. To search, and then next to search, you'll see a tab that says Templates. When you click on Templates, this will load all the templates that you have set up in your installation, and then if you want to make a modification or adjustment to the template, simply highlight and click Open. If you want to remove or delete a template, you can click Delete. You will have to have the proper security settings in QuoteWerks in order to delete documents, however. If they're not your own, or if you don't have access to delete others' documents, you'll have to request those rights. Master rights users are able to delete their own documents and other users' documents as well. If we click Open on our template, we can make changes to it. Maybe one of the items on our template is no longer being sold. So what we want to do is remove it. To do so, right-click on the line item and hit Delete Line. That'll remove it, and then we can save our template. That'll update our template so that when we use this template moving forward, that item is no longer available to be sold. And that's it. For more information on using or modifying templates in QuoteWerks Web, please visit the QuoteWerks help file or feel free to give us a call at 407-248-1481.